Testing video, audio. This is a new camera, so I don't know if it's gonna work because I can't do a lot of settings that I can do with the other one. The one doesn't have though. You see the TV? I'm pretty sure that if you can see this, you'll be able to see the TV. You see that? You see where silver's at? $23. It's dropped like $5 in the last 2 weeks. Let's look at the 30 days. It was at $28 30 days ago, and now it's at $24. So it dropped $4 in 30 days. 60 days, 29, and the low is at 22. But it so if you can see this, I'm not too sure if you can see these graphs or not. I wonder if I put it this way. I'm gonna put them on the big screen and see if we can look at it there, so I can do unboxings, and that we can see what the gains were from the time that I purchased the silver, to see if there's any gains at all, and if I have any potential winnings. Can you see this? The $100 trillion bill. That light looks like it's a little bit not in my direction. Alright. It looks a little better. But still, I don't think it's bright enough. Gold certificate, $20 from 1926. 28. Silver certificate from 57. Gold cooker bears. Oh, this is antique cigarette holder. Tiffany's silver. And then I got this bowl. Silver. It's like, I don't know, it's like 5-7 ounces.